Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat live back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about a lot of things actually. Metamask, what you didn't know about Metamask. Maybe you want to stop using Metamask. What I'm about to tell you is going to be alarming. It's going to shock you. Also, XEN, just a very quick touch on that. Walken App has been very surprising. It's been the one that's probably been the best for me. They've just introduced staking, and the price of Walken has gone up some 20 to 30% overnight. Then just a few other things with Doge and Litecoin. All right, so let's get into the video and let's get roll that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and bell notification, so when I upload my latest vids, you can get notified immediately. As we head over to Crypto Bubbles at cryptobubbles.net, this is a good website. I come and check this regularly. It's got some really good information here, and it just shows you in a graphical representation, which is, you know, the way I like it. I can relate to looking at pictures more so than digits or words, okay, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this is a good website. So if you come down here and you can see the losses, you can check other things too. You can have a little play. I won't spend much time on how to use this website, but it's pretty self-explanatory. But if you come here to year to date and you click on this, it shows you the year to date. So Bitcoin's down 71%, Ethereum's down 72%. So, you know, great opportunity to be buying, obviously, not financial advice. But we come here and click it again, we'll see that Trust Wallet is up 83%, right? $1.95. And this is huge for a Trust Wallet because it's the #1 performer so far. And these gains have only been made in the last month. You can see here, month, 68%. So why is that so? Because Trust Wallet is very, very similar to Metamask, but it's decentralized, and you basically have your private keys like Metamask, but it's decentralized. But if we go and have a look at here the latest news, and this might be contributing factor towards Trust Wallet. Consensus under fire by collecting Metamask users' wallets and IP addresses. So leading Ethereum wallet has over 30 million users. So this is Metamask, right? And they're saying that Consensus, a New York blockchain software company behind the leading Ethereum wallet Metamask, has shocked decentralization and advocates the new changes to its policy. So you may not know this, but you're using Metamask. They changed their policy, and basically when you use the Infura as a default RPC provider in Metamask, Infura will collect your IP addresses and Ethereum wallet addresses when you send a transaction. Consensus said, however, if you're using your own Ethereum node or third-party RPC provider with Ethereum, then neither Infura nor Metamask will collect your IP addresses or Ethereum wallet addresses. But that's all fine and dandy. But if you don't know that Metamask is actually, collecting your data, you just leave it as the default. Okay. Here it says privacy concerns. Naturally, the move has raised concerns of Web3 community with some threatening to boycott Consensus services. And then here it's fun whilst it lasts as Metamask, but I value my privacy in this space, tweeted Pixel Vault moderator. And then also here, time to stop using Metamask, I guess, said Beast Wyoron. And this is what happens, right? These companies, they get massive, like, Metamask has 20 million users. Now it's a business, and this data is worth a lot of money. Okay, so this is how Google, this is how Facebook built their businesses. Once they have the data, they can use this data to profit from, advertising and whatnot. But this data is very powerful, right? So Yeah, I just think it's a wrong direction. Obviously, MetaMask, and now this could be because of the certain price pump with Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet will work exactly the same as MetaMask, but it's got some more bells and whistles. So check out Trust Wallet or change your RPC provider. Okay, not to the default. There's tons of them out there. But that's not the point. The point is people don't know that this is happening because who reads a privacy policy anyway? And they can just change stuff on you and people never know that they're collecting your private data. Okay, so let's move on to XEN. Here is a tweet that I saw. And this, I don't know what is happening here, but this person here bought XEN with 1,821 Ethereum. You can see this is the transaction here. They swapped 1,821 Ethereum worth 2,210,000, and what they did is they swapped it for 337 million XEN worth. Well, I'll show you what it's worth. There it is there, 337 million XEN. It's worth $2,241. I don't understand what the hell is going on here. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? So if you know what's going on with this transaction, can you tell me? Because I'll put the link to this transaction hash below. Who does that? They converted. I mean, this is not small money either. It's like 2,211,000 for only $2,000, $2,241. I mean, you. I hope it 100x's for them because they'd want it to 100x just to get their money back. Another thing with XEN too, you got to keep on top of XEN. See, I've got this in the spreadsheet and I know exactly when to claim my XEN. See, my next claim here, which was on the 20th of the 10th, which is a month ago, a month and 7 days ago. This is for a 60-day term, so I know that next month in December it's going to be time to claim, and I'm going to be able to claim 1.7 million XEN. See, because people are not they're not tracking this, they forget, and they're losing their XEN because by the time, like, the first day it's fine, but the second day you start losing because it's got a 7-day window that you need to claim. By the time you get to the second, like, third or fourth day, you already lost like 30%, 40%. By the time you get to the 7th day, you've lost 99%. So that's the thing with XEN. There's going to be tons of people that are going to forget to claim on the due date, and then it's just going to deteriorate to nothing. So you got to be onto this, and that's why I have a spreadsheet with everything here, so I know exactly when my claims. See, I've got 30, 60 days. I've spread all the, like, 100-day claims, 300-day claims, 400-day claims. Here I did 20 wallets with 400-day claims, right? But I know exactly what I do is I come here and I check this like on a daily basis. I have this on the spreadsheet and then I bookmark it, so then I know exactly here when the next one is. You know what I mean? So that's what you got to do, because if you don't claim within the first or second day, it just starts to go to, like, nothing. So yeah, you got to be on top of it. So put it in a spreadsheet. Walken, they've got a staking guide, and then they've just got this new infused boost. So I'll just quickly talk about that. This staking guide, it's coming out in a couple of days. This is going to be within the app. And the staking plans are very generous. I mean, look, 4 months at 40% APR. That is very good. 9 months at 100% APR. That is crazy. And then, 12 months, 150, and 18 months, 250 APR. So if you want to lock it up for that long, I don't know if I'd lock it up for that long, but probably the 4 months would probably be worth locking some up. And in the price of Walken, it has gone up. We just go back here and we go have a look at it. Here it says it's up to 20%. So this is probably because of the staking. See, it did drop down to about 3 4.4 cents, but now it's gone back up to 4.2 cents. You can see the chart here. So this is going to be, it's going to be heaps of people staking this to get more tokens. So that's going to be in the app in a couple of days, or very soon, the next update. And then this infusion boost, this is going to happen very soon as well. I don't know about this one here. Basically, to enter, you've got to have 300 Walken and plus 350 mystery berries. And it goes for 7 days, and basically, I think you can fuse them from what I'm reading here. And then you see this, like you take two NFTs, and then you kind of fuse them together, and they take all the traits from each one to then, go into a new one. And then it goes into your loot box as like a loot box NFT, like a capsule. Here it's got here a capsule, and then once you open it, you'll be able to get your new one, which is will hopefully be a fusion, an upgrade of both of the ones that you fused. But the thing is, once you fuse the other two, they burn, right? You don't get to. They basically disappear out of your wallet, because you're burning them, right, to create a new one. So you're going to burn 2 to get an upgraded 1, which potentially you don't know what it is until you open it up, because it's going to be in your loot box as a capsule. So I don't know about this, unless it's a major upgrade, unless you're like fusing 2 like low levels 6s and you're getting like a level 10, or if it doesn't go up the level, you're going from, say, two uncommons, 2 commons to like a rare or an uncommon. Yeah, maybe it might be worth it, because if you look at the specs, what you can earn per hour is more. The higher, the more rare it is. Like I've got 2 rares, and I basically double my money, double earning what I earn with my commons. So yeah, it is worth it if you can get the higher spec ones. So that's that. I'll put all the links below again if you want to read more about that. If we move on here, it says this new platform, well, it's actually not a new platform. It's been around for a while. It's very similar to like Celsius and BlockFi. We all know what happened to Celsius. BlockFi is in deep trouble too. In this one here, Hodlnaut, they lost 190 million from Terra's crash. So they invested big. And we all know what happened with Terra Luna, right? It basically went down to zero. Not zero, but we look at year to date here, Terra Luna, Terra Classic. This is it here, right? It's down negative 100%. So that's absolutely crazy. But, these crypto firms, they had big money invested in Terra, and then when it crashed, so did investors' money. Like, it wasn't their money, it was investors' money. The Singaporean cryptocurrency lending platform Hodlnaut reportedly lost 190 million due to the exposure to Terra's algorithmic stablecoin USDT. The latter's collapse in May has been one of the most notorious crypto events so far this year. It certainly has. Numerous sources reveal the crash of the native token Luna and stable USDT caused critical losses, and some investors even committed suicide. That's absolutely crazy. And that seems like far gone now. The Luna crash, because now we've got FTX. There's rumors about Genesis, the Genesis exchange needing to raise $1 billion. There's rumors about Coinbase. There's rumors flying everywhere now, because get your, in my opinion, get all your crypto off all the exchanges. Only use the if you want to exchange, just use them temporarily, and then move your crypto off. If you're in any type of lending or DeFi platforms, get it off. In my opinion, do not risk it. Just get your money off and put it on a hardware device, something that you control the private keys. Even wrap Bitcoin is dumping. That's lost its peg. So I don't know why you want to wrap Bitcoin. Just get Bitcoin. Don't wrap it. It's crazy. So that is another lending platform that is in deep trouble. All right. Lastly, the weekend watch. Dogecoin skyrocket 15%. BNB breaks 300. Bitcoin continues to display little to no price swings and stands around 16.5. Some altcoins, though, have significantly outperformed BTC, including Dogecoin and Binance Coin, both of which jumped multiple week highs. Doge, BNB, and SOAR. And yeah, so I mean, if you want to with this Dogecoin, right, you could mine it. Okay, you could mine it if you want to, if you believe in Dogecoin, even Litecoin, right? So I mean, if we go and have a look at CoinGecko, we go look at Dogecoin up. It's up 5.6% in a week. And then we go down and look at Litecoin. It's up 21.4% in 7 days, in 1 week. So Litecoin has definitely soared, and so does Dogecoin's gone up a bit as well. But if you wanted to mine Dogecoin and Litecoin simultaneously, you could do it. You just need to buy an Antminer L7, okay? And your profit would be about $17.65 a day. Now, obviously, you're going to have to buy this machine. It's going to cost you $7,399, and the ROI is basically 419 days. Okay, so you really got to do your numbers with your mining. Obviously, you're going to pay for shipping. You're going to pay taxes or duties as well. So it's probably going to be like 8.5 or something, 8.2, 8.3 by the time you get this machine. So you're looking at 400 days, probably 450 days ROI. But if you look at the current market, we're in a bear market right now. And when we're in a bear market, the price of machines go down because they can't sell them at a high price, obviously, because they're only producing so much income per day. So that's the best time to buy these machines. And if you're, looking at Dogecoin or Litecoin, these coins now are in a bear cycle, and they're at an all-time or very close to all-time low, but they're down big time anyway, right? So that means that's the best time to buy it, because eventually we're going to get out of this bear market. We're going to go into a very bullish trend, and we could see all-time highs with Bitcoin. We could even see Bitcoin hit smash through six figures, if not next year, 2024, in my opinion, definitely. And these coins now that you're mining, Dogecoin and Litecoin, even on a second-hand machine that you paid 8.3K or something by the time you get it to your door, it would be insanely profitable, because the ROI would not be like 450 days, it'd be more like 200 days. You know what I mean? So that's really kind of like where my mining is at. You're buying this machine now to then hold, and if you can pay your electricity now, fork out your electricity, not spend your coins to pay for your electricity, hold your coins, and then when the price of Dogecoin and Litecoin go back up to all-time highs, then you will make massive gains. Litecoin all-time high was just under $400. It's $77 now. And then you look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin's like ranked number 8. So you got to take this seriously. And an all-time high of Dogecoin was 73 cents. Dogecoin now is only 8 cents. So it could do it 10x in the next 2 years. Absolutely. So it is what it is. It is a meme coin, but it's got 12 billion market cap. So you got to take this seriously. This is a lot of money. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. It's been a long video, but don't forget to subscribe. Please share this if you can, and I'll see you guys in the next one.